Well, we were just out for another one. We got our limited 2. We were putting them up everywhere. Altogether, I think probably 12. I got at least 10 on film. They were just, nobody out here. Nobody. We're only out here not even an hour. It was a pretty good day. It was one of the best pheasant days I've ever had. But man, birds were everywhere and nobody out here. I can't believe it. Beautiful day. Stay tuned. Watch the video. Now she's on something. Good girl, Heidi. Good girl. Heidi. Working something. Definitely working something. Good girl, Heidi. Good girl. Find him, Heidi. Good girl. Dead bird, Heidi. Come on, dead bird. Good girl. That's what I'm talking about, girl. Good girl. Come on, bird's in here. Come on, dead bird. Come on. Find him. Come on, girl. Bird's in here. Find him. Find him, girl. Find him, girl. Find him. Fetch him here. Fetch him here, girl. I know she's got him. Good girl, Heidi. Come on. Fetch him here. Heidi, here. Heidi, come. Heidi, fetch. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. You can do it. Come on. Good girl, Heidi. Come on. Fetch him. Come on. Come on, girl. Fetch. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Really? We gotta work on this fetch shit. Now I'm fucking soaked. Oh. Nice rooster, huh? Very nice rooster. Good job, girl. Come here. Good job. Good job, girl, huh? You're a good girl. Come on, birds in here. She's got something here. Good girl, Heidi. Good girl. Heidi, come. Come. Good girl, Heidi. Come. Here. Here. Really? Good girl, Heidi. Come. Good girl, Heidi. Come on. You gotta start fetching, girl. Okay, you got him. Good girl. Hey, good girl. Good girl. Huh? Good girl. Another nice rooster. We're definitely having a good year like always. She's out there now. She's on something. Good girl, Heidi. Good girl. Good girl, Heidi. Come on, good girl. That's what I'm talking about. Good girl, Heidi. Come on, good girl. Good girl, Heidi. Come on. Come on, girl. Heidi, come on. She's put up I don't know, 6 birds already today. Now she's on another one. She's on something here. She is on it today, man. 4 so far, 4 roosters, 2 hens. Oh, she's got something again. Oh, another rooster. Good girl, Heidi. Good girl. Let it go. Come on. Good girl, Heidi. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. So that's 7. 5 roosters and 2 hens so far. Oh, she's on another one. Good girl, Heidi. Jesus, good girl. Come on. Hey, that's good. Come on. You got him. Good girl. Oh, what the heck? Holy Jesus. Come on, girl. They're all over the place in here. Holy shit, that scared the shit out of me. Good girl, Heidi. Good girl, Heidi.